वह तेज दौड़ सकता था। He could run fast. He could run fast. मैं कल उससे मिल सकता था। I could meet him yesterday. I could meet him yesterday. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते थे? Could you help me? Could you help me? वह सच बता सकता था। He could tell the truth. He could tell the truth. हम ये काम समय पर कर सकते थे। We could do this work on time. We could do this work on time. वह समस्या समझ सकता था। He could understand the problem. He could understand the problem. मैं तुम्हें पहले फोन कर सकता था। I could call you earlier. I could call you earlier. क्या वह परीक्षा पास कर सकता था? Could he pass the exam? Could he pass the exam? वे हमें धोखा दे सकते थे। They could cheat us. They could cheat us. मैं ये किताब पढ़ सकता था। I could read this book. I could read this book. वह तुम्हारी बात सुन सकता था। He could listen to you. He could listen to you. हम वहाँ पैदल जा सकते थे। We could go there on foot. We could go there on foot. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता था? Could I come in? Could I come in? वह गलती सुधार सकता था। He could correct the mistake. He could correct the mistake. मैं बेहतर उत्तर दे सकता था। I could give a better answer. I could give a better answer. वह तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता था। He could help you. He could help you. हम बारिश से बच सकते थे। We could avoid the rain. We could avoid the rain. क्या वे जीत सकते थे? Could they win? Could they win? मैं सच्चाई छुपा सकता था। I could hide the truth. I could hide the truth. वह गाड़ी चला सकता था। He could drive the car. He could drive the car. हम इस बात पर सहमत हो सकते थे। We could agree on this. We could agree on this. क्या वह झूठ बोल सकता था? Could he lie? Could he lie? मैं तुम्हें समझा सकता था। I could explain to you. I could explain to you. वह अकेले काम कर सकता था। He could work alone. He could work alone. हम उन्हें रोक सकते थे। We could stop them. We could stop them. क्या मैं पानी पी सकता था? Could I drink water? Could I drink water? वह अपना वादा निभा सकता था। He could keep his promise. He could keep his promise. मैं बेहतर प्रदर्शन कर सकता था। I could perform better. I could perform better. वे समय पर पहुंच सकते थे। They could reach on time. They could reach on time. वह खतरा टाल सकता था। He could avoid the danger. He could avoid the danger. तुम्हें सच बोलना चाहिए। You should speak the truth. You should speak the truth. हमें समय पर पहुंचना चाहिए। We should reach on time. We should reach on time. उसे माफी मांगनी चाहिए। He should apologize. He should apologize. तुम्हें मेहनत करनी चाहिए। You should work hard. You should work hard. हमें गरीबों की मदद करनी चाहिए। We should help the poor. We should help the poor. उसे धूम्रपान छोड़ देना चाहिए। He should quit smoking. He should quit smoking. तुम्हें डॉक्टर से मिलना चाहिए। You should see a doctor. You should see a doctor. हमें नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए। We should follow the rules. We should follow the rules. उसे अपनी गलती माननी चाहिए। He should accept his mistake. He should accept his mistake. तुम्हें देर नहीं करनी चाहिए। You should not be late. You should not be late. हमें सच जानना चाहिए। We should know the truth. We should know the truth. उसे परीक्षा की तैयारी करनी चाहिए. He should prepare for the exam. He should prepare for the exam. तुम्हें पानी ज्यादा पीना चाहिए. You should drink more water. You should drink more water. हमें पर्यावरण बचाना चाहिए. We should protect the environment. We should protect the environment. उसे अपने माता पिता की बात माननी चाहिए. He should obey his parents. He should obey his parents. तुम्हें बुरा व्यवहार नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not behave badly. You should not behave badly. हमें एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए. We should help each other. We should help each other. उसे सच स्वीकार करना चाहिए. He should accept the truth. He should accept the truth. तुम्हें शांत रहना चाहिए. You should remain calm. You should remain calm. हमें गलत काम नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not do wrong things. We should not do wrong things. उसे जल्दी सो जाना चाहिए. He should sleep early. He should sleep early. तुम्हें मोबाइल कम इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. You should use mobile less. You should use mobile less. हमें बड़ों का सम्मान करना चाहिए. We should respect elders. We should respect elders. उसे अपनी आदतें सुधारनी चाहिए. He should improve his habits. He should improve his habits. तुम्हें अपनी सेहत का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. You should take care of your health. You should take care of your health. वह रोज सुबह टहलने जाया करता था. He would go for a walk every morning. He would go for a walk every morning. मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मना कर देता. I would refuse if I were you. I would refuse if I were you. वह हमें कहानियां सुनाया करता था. He would tell us stories. He would tell us stories. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता. I would help you. I would help you. वे शाम को साथ बैठा करते थे. They would sit together in the evening. They would sit together in the evening. मैं ये काम नहीं करता. I would not do this work. I would not do this work. वह देर से आया करता था. He would come late. He would come late. मैं तुम पर भरोसा करता. I would trust you. I would trust you. वह हमसे मजाक किया करता था. He would joke with us. He would joke with us. मैं तुम्हें सच बता देता. I would tell you the truth. I would tell you the truth. वह हर बात पर हंसा करता था. He would laugh at everything. He would laugh at everything. मैं तुम्हें माफ कर देता. I would forgive you. I would forgive you. वह हमें डांटा करता था. He would scold us. He would scold us. मैं तुम्हारे साथ जाता. I would go with you. I would go with you. वह देर रात तक पढ़ा करता था. He would study till late night. He would study till late night. मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं कहता. I would never say this. I would never say this. वह हर रविवार हमें मिलने आता था. He would come to meet us every Sunday. He would come to meet us every Sunday. मैं तुम्हारी बात मान लेता. I would agree with you. I would agree with you. वह हमें सलाह दिया करता था. He would give us advice. He would give us advice. मैं तुम्हें रोक लेता. I would stop you. I would stop you. वह बच्चों से प्यार किया करता था. He would love children. He would love children. मैं यह मौका नहीं छोड़ता. I would not miss this chance. I would not miss this chance. वह हर गलती पर समझाया करता था। He would explain every mistake. He would explain every mistake. मैं तुम्हें याद करता। I would miss you. I would miss you. वह सच्चाई का साथ देता। He would support the truth. He would support the truth.